Are Blockblast notifications distracting you, or are you missing important updates? Don't worry, I'll show you how to turn them on or off in just a few taps. Hey everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to turn on or turn off notifications of Blockblast. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the Settings app on your device. This is where you can control notifications for all of your apps. Here you'll have to look for the section called Apps or Notifications. Here I'll tap on Apps option. Now from the list you'll have to find Blockblast. Once you've opened the Blockblast app settings, look for the Notifications option and tap on it. Here you see a switcher toggle for notification. You'll just have to tap on the toggle button to turn on or off the notification. And there you have it. Now you can enjoy Blockblast the way you prefer, without distractions or with all the latest updates. Thanks for watching Make Gaming Easy. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment down if you have any questions or feedback. And if you're new, subscribe and stay updated for the future videos.